Hey travelers! If you're planning a trip to Venice but want to keep your budget in check while still enjoying comfort and convenience, let me introduce you to AO Hotel Venice Mestre, a hidden gem just outside the main island. Location. Now I know what you're thinking. Why stay in Mestre when Venice itself is right there? Well, here's the deal. Mestre is only 10-minute train ride from Venice Santa Lucia station. Trains run multiple times an hour, cost just a few euros, and are super reliable. That means you can explore St. Mark's Square, the Rialto Bridge, or hop on gondola ride anytime you like, without paying those sky-high Venice accommodation prices. But Mestre isn't just about being cheaper, it's got its own charm. Authentic Italian restaurants, cozy cafes, and local shops, where you'll feel more of the real Italy and less of the tourist rush. It's a quieter place to recharge after a long day in Venice. And honestly, that balance of calm and adventure makes the location perfect. Breakfast. One thing you'll love at AO Hotel Mestre is the breakfast buffet. Think freshly baked pastries, creamy yogurts, cold cuts, cheeses, eggs, cereals, fruits, and of course good Italian coffee. Whether you're a light eater or you want to fuel up for hours of sightseeing, the street has you covered. Budget-friendly tips. If you're watching your wallet, here are some quick hacks. Book directly on the hotel's official site. They often have discounts or even free upgrades. Skip taxis from the airport. Take the bus or train to Mestre. Way cheaper and just as easy. Eat in Mestre. Venice restaurants can be pricey, but in here, local spots serve authentic Italian foods of half the cost. If you're planning to go back and forth to Venice a lot, grab a train pass to save even more. And don't forget to hit up Mestre's local markets for snacks and souvenirs. They're more authentic and affordable than the tourist shops in Venice. Final thought. So, if you want Venice at your doorstep without blowing your budget, AO Hotel Venice is a fantastic choice. You'll get convenience, comfort, and the chance to experience Italy like a local. That's it for today's travel guide. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment if you've stayed here or are planning to. Thank you for being with me. Tripify.